Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add passcode on Telegram. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Telegram app. Then after, at the top left corner, you can see a 3-line icon. Tap on it. Then after, at the bottom, go look for settings. Tap on setting. Then after, over here you can see the option of privacy and security. Tap on it. There you can see the option of passcode lock. Tap on it and turn it on. Enable passcode. Enter your passcode. Then after, enable your passcode. Then after, there you go, your passcode has been entered. There you can change your passcode, unlock with fingerprint as well. You have the option of auto lock in 1 hour as well. Show contents, turn off passcodes. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.